everybody, and welcome to my channel, NQLioness, where I trade futures. So you want to be a trader, right? Trading is one of the hardest things you will ever try to perform in life. It's nothing like any other skill you have ever tried to accomplish. But I'm here to tell you that it is possible. And I am setting out to find beginner traders like myself, like I was 3 years ago, that I can bring along with me on this journey, that can follow me on this journey, that I can just share with, what I've learned in trading so far. It's more than just learning how to read the charts. You have to learn how to read yourself. You have to find yourself in the market. Psychology plays a major role in trading. All right, if you anything you ever thought about yourself, anything you thought you knew about yourself, any kind of discipline that you thought you may have had, trading, it is definitely going to challenge that. And there's some books out there that might help you along your journey. So if you want to start trading, grab a trading book for beginners. Any book on charting or technical analysis for beginners should suffice. All the books, all the basic basic beginners knowledge is all the same, right? It doesn't matter if you go on Google or you find it in a book. It is going to be all the same. And the hard part is time. Time cannot be taught. So you may see these technical terms, you may see these support and resistance and these certain patterns, and then you go into the real world and you can't rush that time. You can't rush the stock market to open up. You only get to see real live action when the stock market is open. Now you have different assets or what have you now that do trade basically, like 24/6. So you have a little bit of an advantage when it comes to getting in chart time. But for people that are still working, people that don't have a lot of time, right, where the time is limited, there are ways that you can get chart time in. It's hard. It's really hard. It's after a while you start to get used to certain things. But again, that's what time is like playing a video game, right? When you first play the video game, you might be really well until you get to a certain level and you keep failing, and then you recognize that pattern and you say, oh, okay, I recognize what's happening. Next time I'm going to do this. Trading is somewhat similar, but it might come to the point where you recognize it and you think that next time you see it, you're going to react a certain way. And then you might realize that if you react a certain way and it doesn't work, it changed all of a sudden. And this could be a month or two later because there's different cycles and there's cycles within cycles. So there's a lot that goes into trading. There's a lot of losses when you first start out trading. Depending on what level you are, you're going to be excited. You're going to be really zealous about it in the beginning, but there will come a point in time where you have to understand that you're in trading not to make money. That might sound crazy. You want to make money, but there's going to be a time where you're not going to be profitable and you are just going to basically be learning the skill. And it's no different than being in school. You want to learn the skill, and then when you've learned the skill, you'll get to a point where everything you just studied, like school, will be paid off, right? It will pay off in a couple trades. Maybe that may be a couple trades a week, couple trades a month. Who knows? But eventually, you'll get to a point where you are able to reap the benefits of, the time you put in to learn the skill. My goal is to get enough subscribers so I can go live with you guys here on this channel. I do have 3 50K Top Step accounts, and I have a 150K Apex account just for transparency, but the 150K account is my private account, and that is what I'll keep to myself. When I get enough subscribers on here, then I will go live and trade the 50K live and show you guys how to take, maybe small scalps and how to pass the combine and how it's possible with patience. And, we'll just go through it together and, understand the importance together of not rushing the process. We all want to get there. We all want to get to the finish line, but there are no corners. You can you can, I guess, somewhat cut corners if you have a mentor, you have somebody showing you. But then at the same time, you still have to put the time in. You still have to go through the losses. You still have to go through the emotional ups and downs to learn. It's no different than, when you're a child and learning not to touch the stove because it's hot and you do so anyway. You have to jump in there and get that experience so that you will know the whys. So any for beginners, if you're just learning, just starting out, Google is a great resource for anyone that's just starting out. Any charting or technical analysis for beginners books are going to be great books for you, or support and resistance books. Those are going to be great books for you, because here's the thing: if you learn how to trade, there's a lot of people out here that have discords, and they'll teach you how to follow their moves, and they'll tell you why they're getting in and where to get in. But my thing is, I want to learn the skill, because if I have the skill, then I can take that skill and I can trade options, I can trade stocks, I can trade crypto, I can trade futures, right? I can trade whatever asset it is that is trading on the market. If I have the skill, no one can starve me. And so that's why I'm setting out to find people who really want to learn and who really are at the beginning of the stage. Some stuff I can't teach you. Time is only going to be able to teach you. Doesn't matter how many times I tell you over and over the same thing. You're going to have to experience it. And then another thing with that is, you'll get to the point in trading where you will experience the same thing over and over and over until you learn from it. And sometimes it's just a part of trading. Sometimes it's just going to happen and you're going to beat yourself up. Why do I keep doing that? Why do I keep doing that? That's the hard part. It's being disciplined enough to not do it, to recognize, hey, I need to stop doing that. Being honest with yourself. Again, technical analysis or charting for beginners. And also The Power of Discipline. There's a book called The Power of Discipline. It teaches you about discipline and what the successful people do and why routine is important. It is important. Regardless, everything we do is routine. And I think the book mentions that as well. But everything we do is routine, whether it's bad habits or good habits. But what you'll notice is that the successful people have good habits. Successful and wealthy people have good habits that they follow, and they have a routine that they follow, and if you want trading, you might have to change some things in your life. Change is good. Change is very good, because change leads to the next level. All right. So with that being said, I guess I'll just start off by just maybe some books that might help you guys. Maybe post a couple of my trades, or couple, of the basic videos, support and resistance, what it looks like, what I look for, and things like that, to gain some traction here, so that I can find a community of you guys who really want to learn how to trade. It doesn't have to replace your income. It could be added income. You can still go out in the world and be great, right? Work at the job and be great, provide service for others. But you can also work on your retirement plan, or work on vacation money, or extra business money for yourself, a side business, whatever you would like to use money as the tool for, because money is the tool. Whatever you like to use it for, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So, with that being said, thank you for your views. I hope to meet you all soon and get a community here started. I'm very excited about that. Very excited to help people. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right? Thanks. Bye.